When the Hydrogen Council was founded in January 2017, it was the first initiative of its kind. With 13 founding members, these companies created the council to help limit global warming to 2 degrees Celsius.
We started the Hydrogen Council with a shared goal of trying to get people convinced of the potential of hydrogen and its impact on energy transition.
Since then, we've grown to include almost 150 members from across the world that represent the entire hydrogen value chain.
So the global expansion of the market for hydrogen and the related product will create opportunities for countries to boost their industrial competitiveness.
148 members and 27 countries represented.
Hydrogen is not the only solution for the world. This is one, and one of our biggest challenges in the future will be to introduce hydrogen into the energy system.
Hydrogen is a missing piece of the clean energy puzzle. Let's take action to embrace clean hydrogen as a global energy solution that plays a key role in the transition to net zero.
There's no debate anymore on the fact that hydrogen is the key enabler with electrons to make a clean energy system work. That mission is done. And that's a huge achievement because now the debate is how do you implement it?